Hello, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please subscribe and share my video. Thank you. So today we are making Tigernut drink. This is a very fantastic drink, if I might say so. Okay, we are using tiger nuts, coconuts and dates fruit. For preparation, wash the tiger nuts properly, removing all the stones and sand. If you're making use of dry tiger nut, make sure you soak it for some hours before blending. If you're making use of dry date fruit, soak for some hours as well and remove the seed from inside of the dates fruit. You don't want to use the seed. It is so hard and it's going to spoil your blender or anything you're going to blend it with. So for the coconut, you all know how to break coconuts. Just break it, wash it and bring out the meats from the coconuts. The next step is to blend all this together with enough water. Make sure the water you add is enough to cover any of the blended stuff. After which you're going to sieve them and enjoy.